Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 and let me show you how to enter the MIUI Recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose power off and tap power off one more time. Let's wait until your phone will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding these keys. Release both keys as soon as Mi logo pops up, and let's wait a couple of seconds. So this is the MIUI Recovery 3.0, and here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. As you can see here, you can accomplish the hard reset operation by choosing wipe data. You can also connect your device with Mi Assistant. If you would like to quit this mode, let's just simply choose reboot option and press power key to confirm it. Now of course choose reboot to system by pressing power key, and the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode, so let's just wait a few seconds until you will be ready to use your device. Excellent, the home screen pops up, so it means that everything went well. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.